Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the looping statements and its syntax, execution flow and some of the examples. Introduction about the loop. In general, what is a loop? A user to execute the block of statement repeatedly, that is iteratively a set of instructions we are executing how many times as long as the given condition is true, and its types are while, do while and for loop. Basic execution of loops. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. Once the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. From the flowchart itself, we clearly understand. First, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, the statement block will be executed. If the condition is false, it will exit from the loop. First, we will see the while loop. See the syntax given in the box, where while is a keyword. Within a bracket, we have to give the condition. If the condition is true, the statements which are given in the curly braces are to be executed. If the condition is false, it will exit out from the loop. Here is the simple C program to print the numbers from 1 to 5 using a while loop. See the example given here. Within a main function, we are declaring the variable a as an integer and it's initialized to the value 1. Using a while loop, we check the condition a less than 6, and within a curly braces, the statements given are printing the value of a and then a plus plus, which means incrementing the a value by 1, which is equal to a plus 1. Now let us see what will be the output. So first the a value will be 1. 1 less than 6. Its condition is true? Yes, it's true. So the print the value of a. So the value 1 will be printed. A plus plus means it will increment the value by 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. It go back and checks the condition. Now the a value will be 2. 2 less than 6, yes, the condition is true. So it will print the value of a as 2 and incrementing the a value by 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Again it will go back and check the condition. 3 less than 6. Yes, the condition is true. Again it will print the value of a and incrementing the value by 1. It goes on until when the a value will be 6. 6 less than 6. The condition is false. Then it will exit out from the loop. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is do while loop. A do while loop is similar to a while loop, but the do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop, which means the statements inside the loop will be executed at least once even if the condition is never true. See the syntax given in the box. Do within a curly braces, we are giving the set of statements and checks the condition at the end of the loop. First the statement part is executed and then the condition part is evaluated. If the condition is true, the statement part executed and then again go back to the condition part. If the condition is false, it will exit from the loop. Here is the simple C program using do while loop. See the example. Within a main function, we are declaring the a variable as an integer and it's initialized to 0. Then do within a curly braces, we are printing the a value and a plus plus, which means incrementing the a value by 1. At last checks the condition while a less than 6. Let us see what will be the output. The initial value of a is 0. So printing the a value 0, a plus plus which means incrementing the a value by 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. Checks the condition 1 less than 6. The condition is true, so the control transfers to the executable part. So print the a value as 1 and incrementing the a value by 1 plus 1, 2. 2 less than 6. The condition is true. This process repeatedly continued. When a value becomes 6, the condition is false and it will exit from the loop. The last one is for loop. See the syntax: for initialization, condition, increment or decrement, and within a curly braces we are giving the set of statements. First we have to initialize the variable and then checks the condition. If the condition is true, the statements are executed and then incrementing or decrementing the variable. If the condition is false, it will exit from the loop. After incrementing or decrementing the variable, the control transfers to checks the condition. Here is the simple C program using for loop. See the example. Within a main function we use for int I is equal to 1, I less than 6, I plus plus, and print the I value. Let us see what will be the output. And the initial value of I is 1. Checks the condition 1 less than 6. The condition is true. It will print the I value as 1. And incrementing the I value by 1 plus 1, 2. Checks the condition 2 less than 6. The condition is true. So print the I value as 2. This process continuously goes on. When the I value becomes 6, checks the condition 6 less than 6. The condition is false. It will exit from the loop. Thank you for watching this video.